This is the gorgeous Gviewin Quicksand Purple sliding camera lens case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It comes with two frames, one with an integrated screen protector, one without, and then it also comes with an additional screen protector. A great set. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look. All right, this case has a few things it comes with. First, we've got the case itself. And already included here is the frame that has an integrated screen protector. This one can use your fingerprint, but you have to re-register it after installing it. Just keep that in mind. You also have a frame that does not have a screen protector, so you can use either one of those frames, but you do need to use one of these. If you're using the frame without the screen protector, there's also a standalone screen protector that you can use if you want. There is a hole here over the selfie camera. There's no frame on here, it's just a standard screen protector. And that does come with the installation kit. So the options here, full 360, no screen protector, or this one with this screen protector. Three choices. I'm actually not going to use this one with the integrated screen protector, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it out. To remove this frame, you've got to separate down here. The case goes up and over the frame, so that's how it's going to pop off as well. Just remove it, boom, boom, boom. So here is the case. You cannot use just the case. You have to use one of the frames with it. So with the screen protector, without the screen protector. Pop the frame on top. So this is how the frame is gonna fit your phone. The buttons are open and there's no case on yet. Then you're going to pop it into the case, bottom first. Remember, it's gonna go up and over. So kind of stuff your phone and the frame into there. It might pop out on you. That is okay. Just gonna stuff the phone and the frame into the case. Boom. And then you have a perfectly snug fit with this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Quicksand Purple case. Oh my gosh, this does come in a bunch of different designs, so you can get the color and design that you want, but wow, this is gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love. And then here is the sliding lens cover. So if you heard that, it snaps up and out of the way, and when it is snapped open, all your camera lenses are not being intruded on. You're gonna have perfect camera quality there. And then unsnap it, smooth glide, not touching your camera lenses. It is just elevated just enough to not touch anything. And then when you wanna shut it, it's going to snap shut, so it's not gonna accidentally open on you. Just so great. Something to keep in mind though, it is not a magnetic case. Your S Pen slot is open, your port and speaker are open. Over here you have nice clear covered buttons that are clicky. You've got your Gviewin branding down here. It's beautiful. That design does come halfway up here, and then it's a little clear, and then on the inside is your light purple metallic frame in there around your phone. A gorgeous look, super smooth, not sticky or tacky, just like really nice, luxurious feel. A beautiful case. I love that you can use the camera lens cover, or you can just have it snapped open all the time, or you can just use it when you need to. It's up to you. And then again, the flexibility of using the screen protector included frame, or without a screen protector, or add the screen protector. A great case for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I love it, and I know you will too.